A lot of people are curious about the safety of their digital assets. In the world of crypto, one of the most common questions is, can my money be stolen from a digital wallet? Today, we're looking specifically at the Beam wallet. It's a popular choice for many, but does its privacy-focused technology make it more or less vulnerable to theft? Let's get straight to the point. The short answer is yes, money can be stolen from a Beam wallet. But it's almost never due to a flaw in the wallet itself. The Beam wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which is a critical piece of information. This means you, and only you, have control over your private keys. The wallet provider, whether it's the official Beam wallet or a third party like Kraken Wallet or Trezor, doesn't hold your funds or your private keys. They don't have a backdoor to your wallet. So, how does theft happen? It comes down to human error and a few common scams. The most frequent method is through phishing. This is when a scammer creates a fake website or a fake app that looks just like the real one. They'll trick you into entering your secret recovery phrase or your private keys, and once they have that information, they can drain your wallet in seconds. Another method is through malware. This can be a keylogger that records your keystrokes, or a clipboard hijacker that swaps a legitimate wallet address you copied with the scammer's address. These malicious programs can be downloaded unknowingly when you visit a compromised website or open a suspicious attachment. So, what can you do to protect yourself? First, be extremely careful about where you download your wallet. Always use the official website or a trusted app store. Double-check the URL and look for reviews. Second, never, ever share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. No legitimate service, not even customer support, will ever ask for it. Write it down, store it offline, and keep it in a secure location. If you suspect your seed phrase is compromised, move your funds immediately. Third, enable two-factor authentication whenever possible and use a strong password for your wallet and other crypto-related accounts. Finally, stay informed about the latest scams. Scammers are always evolving their tactics, so knowing what to look out for is your best defense. The Beam wallet is built with strong privacy and security features, but the ultimate security of your funds rests in your hands. Be smart, be vigilant, and protect your private keys.